pause it. Whoops. Shucks. Sorry about that. And go back to there's 20 of us. Chat. And let's put it on pause for a moment. Till more folks come. Boom. And spotlight means what? There we go. Okay, let's try this one. That's the pen. Okay. I think yeah, that way you can see it a little bit better. Okay, and Najoni, now you have you. Thanks for coming. And let's see, Daryl's coming in. Daryl's coming in. Let me face you. So what I need to do is move the screen here for a minute. Let me do that here for a minute. Okay, so it will be here, and it will be Ottoman, and then there. Okay, there we go. And then we'll bring the thing over. I can bring it over. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so there it is. Okay, participants. And put it on the side. Sophia's coming in. And let's go with chat. We got your chats here. Okay, chat's open all the time, so you guys can get your questions anytime. And we're up to 27 so far, 27, right? So, so I really appreciate all of you. You know, if you don't participate, you can actually do two pass off if you want to, and you can tell me if you did or not. Okay, one of them is you can do it right here in class when we say, okay, all those that want to converse, and we'll do that online, and I mean that right in the class, which allows you to, you don't have to go to this area right here. Okay, this area, this yellow area. So you would just you would do kind of your homework right here. But if you're wanting to teach it, which is I would, even if you did a chat here, you could actually go teach it. And because amazing things happen. Amazing things happen when you go teach. The biggest thing that happens is you get a chance to solidify what you're saying and actually practice. It gives you practice one more time, because that's what teachers do, right? They practice, and then they present towards the class. All right, and that's what I had to do today. And then the other thing is that when they present, they learn new things. All right, they learn new things. Some of you might be wanting to be teachers, and hopefully maybe become a language teacher someday. But other than that, I think being a teacher is a great thing, even if you just have a small family type teaching up. You can learn those kind of things. And then the last one is SESM. Okay,
Clayton.
Yes.
I hate to bother you, but I'm wondering if people can hear you.
All right. Let me.
I don't know. I'm having a hard time.
If you can't hear me, could you put it in the chat saying I cannot hear you? Oh yeah. One question is, do you give me email? Yes, give me an email saying I presented in class. That way I have two records instead of the one record, okay? Because sometimes I lose whatever, when I'm trying to pull things together. Sometimes I lose what I did a check off or something. And also, it gives me a chance to go back to the email and say, okay, here's all the folks that said yes, they passed off in class. And then when you do teach, you say, okay, I did 2. I did 1 in class and I did 1 this lesson. Right? Let's say today's lesson is lesson 3. All right. Okay, so some people can hear me, some people cannot hear me. I can't hear. Okay. All right. So either way, I want you to double, just to be sure, make sure you email me saying, Mr. Long, I went ahead and I passed off in class. Okay. That way you have a double record. All right. How about Bill? Bill, is that okay? Are you hearing me okay?
Yeah, it's better. It's quiet, but it's better.
Okay. Let me do something right now. Here we go. Can you hear me now? Is that better?
It's echoey. Maybe you're better the way you had it.
Oh.
But yeah, okay, everyone else is saying better.
Really?
So I can actually hear you better.
Oh, okay. Let's not use this goodie then. It might be getting old. All right, so we have some more folks coming in. So chat will always be open. So anytime you have a question on a word, you want me to repeat a word, you want me to repeat a thought, you want me to ask a question that you might have, all those things can be put in the chat. And then every once in a while, I'll look up and say, okay, here's a question right here. So right now we're saying that without the mic is better. And then it's a louder good. And how do we pass off? This where you have it right now, I'm going to make sure that I do what I present kind of idea. There we go. So pass off is right here. This whole blue area is pass off. And it's called nahata. It's called planning. It's taking ideas from here. Today, we're going to use colors like we did before. But this time, we're going to add numbers, okay? Numbers in Navajo. Instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to say 1 stands for this, 2 stands for this, 3 stands for this. So we'll learn numbers and colors. And when Shicheii talks to you, he will actually say things pertaining to numbers and colors. All right, so yes, yeah, John, good to have you in class. So we have about 32 people today. That's quite a crew. All right, John, yeah. So yeah, pass off. This is the pass off right here. I will do a video, and just to make double sure what I mean by having you be on board all the time here. Let's go to quick show here, quick show. There you go. All right, in your chat, tell me if you don't have one of these. Make sure you tell me in your chat. Hold on. There we go. There we go. If you don't have a syllabus, I want you to put it in the chat saying, I don't have one of these. And this is just about my information, email. If you want to come into class, you click here. If I didn't give you a link, you can do it here. Okay, but I always try to give a link. And then go all the way down to where our lessons are. And here is September 14th. That was when we first started. Ado. From there, we said yat is what we wanted to learn about. And yat hello. And so right here's the whole class video, okay, on that day. Over here is a train, pass off train, how to pass off lesson 1, okay? And then somebody asked me a question and said, Mr. Long, how do we learn the symbols, you know, like L and /L and A and E and high tone and all that? I said, there is a video chart, a chart that I made that has a bunch of video clips. That's how you learn the different sounds, okay? So you can go there. This is just extra. This is something that you want to really learn how to read and write on your own. That's what that's for. On September 21st, we went ahead and I explained the syllabus, which I'm doing right now again. But the syllabus is, I would try to have this handy so you can always come and say, oh yeah, and this is the lesson that we had right here. We did record this, but for some reason it did not grab, it did not process it. So I'm telling you, I recorded our class, but for some reason it did not save. So we don't have a recording of this, but pass off training. That's the heart of our class, passing out. So even though you cannot, you weren't there at the class, but you still can pass off, you do that with number 2. Okay, these video clips will always be there. All right. So today we have another one that we're going to do. It's recording right now. It'll be right here. You'll say numbers and it'll be right here. And then tomorrow I'll do a recording that says, here's the pass off. You listen. So there's a couple of reasons why the pass off is so good. Number one, you might have not really got it in class. Number 2, it's a good review. It's a cap thing, real quick, maybe a good 5 minutes, not even that long, probably. And number 3, it prepares you to go teach the concept to somebody. So today you're going to learn how to teach numbers to somebody through conversation, shicheii conversation. All right. And so let's go that far, and let's see if anybody got any questions. Yes, if you missed the first pass off, anytime you can go back and train and then go teach. All right, go teach. All right, teaching is such a valuable idea. All right. That's why your teachers are so smart. It's because they go over and over and over. You only go through it once as a student, but the teacher goes through it over and over. He designs it, he puts it together, he reviews it, he shares it. Okay, that's why they're so smart. They think they're so smart. It's because they're repetition. All right, repetition brings meaning. That's why we do a lot of repeat here. All right, Ms. Jonia, let's get started. Let's let go of this one, unless we need it again. Okay, so first thing I want to do is tell you about shicheii. Now, one of the things I would love to have you do, this is extra. This could be extra credit. Make it into extra credit, okay? And you can collect stories about shicheii. For example, tonight when you go home, you say shicheii to your grandfather or your grandmother, or even your parents. Mr. Long is collecting shicheii stories. And I would like to hear some of that. Can you share some shicheii? What do you know about shicheii? Horned toad. What do you know? Just it could be small, could be a little longer, doesn't matter. We just want to collect stories. Okay. And then from there, we're going to collect all those, make it into a little booklet. And we have something very, very valuable. The way in which we can teach others about shicheii. When the book is complete, I would like to send one of the booklets to each one of you. And you will have a valuable document. And whenever you're asked to share Navajo culture, Navajo stories, Navajo words, you go to shicheii and say, all right, let me tell you about shicheii. And here's what happened one day. And then you can go ahead and talk to them. Hold on. Let me answer this phone real quick. Okay, so Let's talk about shicheii. Okay, let me tell you about shicheii. Shicheii knows a lot about the 4 directions. All right, a lot about it, and that's the reason why I put this here, because it helps us. Remember we said we are the now warriors. Remember, and what that means is we learn from shicheii. It's like learning from the past, but we use what's from the past and use it in today's world, which is what we're doing right now. We are saying we're going to learn numbers, colors, and we're going to use it based on the 4 directions. So the first one is the vocabulary. Number 2 is the conversation. Number 3 is we share it with somebody where we teach, become the teacher. Here, use 3 numbers. So when you teach, I just want you to teach 3 numbers right here. Maybe it's over here. High tone. And with kids, you can use hands, right? Sa. No, it's a stop. So sa. And then na, ki. Because hands is like physical, and the physical remembers things. Ding, stop. Ding, all right, ding. All right. So let's just say you share these 3 words, and that's going to be your teaching over here. Okay. And so when you ask a question, for example, shicheii say shicheii. So you become the shicheii, and you say shicheii. Maybe your brother's name is Johnny. Shicheii, Johnny. Number, don't say number, just say shicheii, Johnny. Ta, okay, ta, hate egonashcha. And Johnny will go here and say, ta, shicheii, ta, kat it go do is go nashcha. And shicheii will say, nijoni shitsui. And then you flip it around. They become shicheii, and they call you shitsui, and maybe when your name is Jace, shitsui Jace. That's your little brother calling you shitsui Jace. Na ki hate ego nashcha. And over here you say na ki, right here. Shicheii, na ki, let's hoko, nashcha. And then your little brother who is shicheii, he'll say, and he put a name in there if he wants to. Shitsui, you can go shitsui. And that's it. That's basically the conversation that you're going to have. All right. And what does that mean? Going back to the number 1, shitsui means my grandson or granddaughter, grandchild, and Johnny, and then one of the numbers. And I'll teach it to you in just a few minutes here. Hate egonashcha was from the last time, lesson 2. Hate egonashcha. How is it colored? What's number 2? How is it colored? Okay, how is it colored? And then Shitsui would say, shicheii, na ki, let's go nashcha. See, and then shicheii will say, nijone shitsui. Now, going back to our co-talker people, when they wrote, they actually divided the syllables, and I thought that'd be really good for you to just zero on syllable at a time. A syllable is just a sound, okay, a sound. So I put these dashes in there, and that's what they did, is they separated them when they were writing words. The co-talkers were the first Navajo. Nobody's ever seen Navajo written before. They created Navajo written words. World War II, that's not too long ago. And so that's how they used to write it so they could read it too. And so shicheii, when it's just written, and normally today it's just shiitsoi, SOI. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and learn the numbers first. All right. So I have numbers 1 all the way to 20, and then 21, 22, 24. But we only learn 11 today. But just to give you a taste of a what do you call it? A pattern. What does the pattern look like in Navajo? Okay, so here's the pattern. The first 10 is distinct, has its own name. Okay, own name. Okay, so it's asana ke ta ding ishla stans b nast a nesna, and then 11. I want you to really zero on the word 11. Notice it says sa. That sa goes all the way to number 1. So the first pattern is when 10 is done, and the next group of 10, like 11, 12, all the way to 20, you're going to go back and pick up a sound from here. Okay, from here. And then for 11 all the way to 20, there's a big long word, not long word, but three syllables. Ts'ada, just 2 syllables. Ts'ada. That's kind of like saying like teen, 13, 14, 15, it's kind of like that. Ts'ada. And so look what happens. 11, sa. That goes all the way to number 1. There's that sa right there. They don't say though. They could say ts'ada, but they want to make it short. They don't want to make it too long. You just take one sound, like sa means 1. So out of this sa is the main word for 1. Okay, so sa. Okay. Sa all the way down. So when you get to 11, it's sa. There you go. So ts'ada is it's in every one of those up to 19, all the way up to 19. Ts'ada, all the way down. But listen to the next 2. Now the number 12, na ki, which is way up here, na ki. And then you just add the word ts'ada. So that's 12. 13, ta. Look at number 3 up here, ta. But we just add the word ts'ada. So now it's not too hard to remember. It's a pattern. Ts'ada. 4, di, ts'ada. That's where it came from right here. Di is 4. Ts'ada is right there. And then 5 or 15, ash, 2 sounds. Ash, la is short, la. Ash is normal, la is short. Instead of saying ts'ada, they let go of the TS and just put ashla'ada. See how it's shortened a little bit? And I have no reason. I don't know why, only because maybe somebody didn't want to say ts'ada. So they just said ashla'ada. So that kind of gives you a break right there. Gives you a break. And so you'll notice that ashla means 5. Ashla. Ash. Tla. Tla. This is how I do this fast. Shla. Tla. Tla. Ash is normal. Tla is short. Okay. How do I know it's short? Well, the way I know it's short is when I see this little mark right here. If I didn't have that little mark right here, it'll just sound like this. Tla, tla. That's normal sound. Tla. But I want to make it short. Tla, tla, tla. Okay. So always remember that when somebody puts a little mark there, it means short sound, short sound. If it doesn't have a number, a little symbol right there, that just means normal. Ush, ush, normal sound. Short sound, tla, ush, normal sound. And then if I wanted to draw it out, I just add another A. Ash, yeah, ash. Okay, so that's how that works. 16. Hasta ada. See, that's ada. Hasta ada. See, they didn't want to say it's ada. So it's just hasta ada, hasta ada, hasta ada. Where did it get hasta? Oh, right here. Hasta, hasta. The two A's stay together. Has, and then high and long. Ta, nasal too, go through the nose. Ta, it's kind of like high, but now nasal. Ta, ta, okay. Hasta ata, hasta ata. So now you know the pattern. The 16 comes from the word 6. Let's go to 7. So it, 2 sounds. Sos, it, so it's ada. There, the tsada comes back. And where do we get the tsosit? You go back up to number 7. Here it is. Tsosit. So just the letters, just the number 7 is tsosit, tsosit, tsosit. And then you go to 18. Sebi, tsada. Sebi. Where do we get sebi? Up here by the 8. Sebi goes high. Se is long. Se and then high. B. All right. Sebi. So now you what do you know? When the vowels don't have high tones, don't go up. Stay normal. But you long, make it long because there's 2 of them. Se, se, TS is like air coming out of the tire. Se, se. The E is always going to be eh, but when you stretch it, it goes eh, okay? And then be, it's bi, but we want to go high, so it's be, but we want to go high and long, so it's be, se, be, se, be. All right. So when you first learn it, it's like, how can I remember all those things? Well, the key is right here, this yellow part. You go teach it to somebody and you will review, and you listen to the video clips, and all of a sudden you're now going to teach it. And when you teach it, you do your best because you want your students to learn. And how do you know you've done your best? Your students will say it the same way you said it. Okay, that's when you know you're done your best. And then you just report it. Okay, give it to Mr. Long. All right, here we go. Say B is gone. La 19. Na, high tone. Na, na, na. Another medium high. Hus, na, hus. And then kind of an E that's kind of long. A. So there's 3 sounds to 9. Nahast a tzada. 19. Where do we get nahast a tzada? We got it from 9. We got it from 9. Okay, we got it from 9. Nahast a, nahast a. And look at nezna, nezna, nez, like somebody's last name. Nez means tall. Nez, but here it doesn't mean nez because you got nezna. That just means 10. Is not 10. 10. All right, look what happens over here when we come to 20. All right, nadin. So like 10, 20, nezadin, nezna, nadin. Na comes from the two word, the letter two, na. And then look at number 21. Nadin. See, they kept the nadin din, nadin din. Okay, so 21 means nadin sha. Whoa, do you remember where we got sha? Yeah, it goes all the way back to number one, sha. So 21 means nadin sha. Nadin, nadin sha. They didn't say the end. They just kept off the end. So it'll be nadin sha. Nadin sha. Now, some people say nadin sha. It's okay. It's okay. Nadin sha. It's just a preference that some different areas of Navajo decide to do that. Okay, nadin sha. Notice 22. Nadin, which is 20. Nadin na ki. Na ki comes from two. Na ki. So that's 22. 23. Nadin ta. Wow, ta comes to 3 right here. So it's good to see patterns, because patterns help you remember. Oh, I know why. I know 23. It's, we say 20, so it's nadin, and it's 3, so it's ta. So to put it together is nadin ta, nadin ta. All right. And 24, nadin din, nadin din. That's 4. And 30. I didn't go 20, 25, 26. Okay. You can probably even figure it out. 25 would be nadin ashla. 26 would be nadin hastan. 27 would be nadin seb. So see the pattern. You can figure out the pattern all the way up to 39. Nadin or close to 30. Nadin naste, 29. And then 30, there's something interesting that happens at 30. The word 30, ta, comes from ta, but they shorten it to ta din. So 30 din. So din almost makes it like 10 or something like that, or 30, tatin. Then it goes ba'an. All ba'an means is there's 30 and. So and means do ba'an. And then you just say the word asha naki ta din ishla. So if I was to say the 31, I'd say tatin do ba'an asha. 32, tatin do ba'an naki. How many? 33, tatin do ba'an ta. 34, tatin do ba'an din. 35, tatin do ba'an ashla. Okay, see how that pattern goes. So that's all you need right there. Tatin do ba'an, and then you got all the numbers. Okay, until you get up to 39. Tatin do ba'an nast a right here, nast a. All right, nast a. And then once you get to disdin, see how there was tatin, and now it's disdin. That's din and 40. Disdin. And then you keep the same one. If you want to do the pattern with 41, 42, you just say disdin do ba'an. Keep the do ba'an, and you can go to asha. Disdin do ba'an asha. Disdin do ba'an naki. Disdin do ba'an ta. Disdin all the way up to 49. Disdin do ba'an nahaste. Okay. And then let's see if anybody has any questions. So anybody have any questions so far? Blue box. And there's a little mark under the A. Aha. Where is that? blue box. Mark, oh, right there. Okay, mark under the A. That means use your nose. Use your nose. When you see this little, that means your nose. We call it hook. We call it nasal hook. Nasal. So nosh, go down. You say it through your nose. And it's long, so it's glottal. Stop. Long, but stop. Okay, good job. And south. Blue box where it says south, okay? Number one, please. Okay, number one, here we go. Number one. So it's, instead of saying t, you shorten it to t, 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 okay? And then you add the A, ah, but you go high, you go ah, but there's two of them, so you draw it out, you go ah, ah. Okay, that's that first sound. Ah, and the next sound is, that's that slash L with no sound. L with no sound. And then there's an A, so it's ah, sha, sha. But there's a mark above, so go high, sha. And then there's a mark at the end that says short, sha. So it's ah, sha. Eh is this one sound. All right, there you go. Repeat number one. All right, good job. All right, notice the word 50. Ashlatin. See how that we got that? 50. Ashlatin. And how do we get 60? Hastatin. We shorten it to hastan. Instead of saying hastan, we just said hastan. Hastatin. 70, we say sosadin. When 20 started the dean, we just kept the dean all the way down. Nastatin, 90. Once we get to 100, notice what happens. Asahate. We add the de. At the one, asahate. There's nothing. That means ones with nezati with tens. So nezati, 1 and 10 come together to make up 100. Asahate nezati. 1,000. Asahate tatamil. Asahate tamil. Yaj means small, okay? Small. The meal means 1,000, but the small 1,000, okay? Which is compared to the next one. Asad the meal sagi, big. That means 1 million. Sagi. All right. So that's how far we wanted to take you. But the real thing that you want to learn right now is these blue ones, the blue ones. All right. I'm going to repeat it one more time, and then we're going to go into shicheii conversation. Here we go. And then I'll review the colors too. So the number one, ah, you can use my hand. Ah, sha, sha, eh. 3 sounds. Ah, sha, eh. Put it all together. Ah, sha, eh. Ah, sha, eh. Okay. 2, na, ki. Na, ki. Notice I didn't put the nasal on the and the A's. It's because every time you say an N sound, the next vowel is always going to be nasal. Because it's nasal, we just understand it. We don't have to put the nasal, okay? It's that in every language, even Bilagana. For example, let's go over here to word numbers. The N is actually nasal. Num, num, see that? So in English, we just understand it that there's a nasal sound, okay? Wherever there's an N or an M. Okay, let's find an M right here. Male, and may, that comes nasal, see? So our nas or Clayton, except 10 doesn't have a vowel after that. All right, So experience, no, there's no nasal. Well, there's no vowel, that's probably why. Okay. Let's see. Yep, that's it. So anytime there's an N, whether it be in English or Navajo, the next vowel is always going to be nasal. All right. So that's why we don't make those marks right here. Na, ki, na, ki, 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 ki. All right. Next one. Ta, ta, ta. Next one. D. This one kind of high and low are nasal. D, and then stop. D, D, and then the next one, 5, ash, tla, short, tla, ash, tla. 6, has, ta, 2 A's together. For some reason, my computer didn't erase the little space. So the 2 A's go together, so it's ta, has, ta, ta, nasal, ta, but high, ta, has, ta. 7, sos, it is just quick, short, and then it, sos, it is 7. 8, se, b, se is long, se, and then b is long too, but high, b, se, b, and then na, has, a little bit long, a, right? A is E, I, A, O, O, I. Those are what you call diphthong. There's only 3 of them. 10, nez, and then high, na, nez, na, nez, na, and then the 11 just to give us a taste. Sa, ah, oh, look at that. It goes high but comes back down. Ah, I call it the slide. Ah, that sometimes it goes ah, goes a low and then high. Some words it goes like that, but here it goes ah, because you just make the sound come back down. And the reason why it does that is because the next syllable da is low, so it's like this A is pulling this last A back down. So it's ah, da, ah, da, 3 sounds. All right, so that's what that is. Now let's repeat real quickly the red. Se, chi, se, chi. Next one. Se, so, so, TSO, so. All right, which is similar to this number 11. So. The X is like an H in Navajo. Why? Because if you said TSH, you're going to go like SH. So in order to distinguish, don't make the sh sound. You just say ho. So it's ho, with the HO. Okay? So yellow is se, so, the soft, so. Orange is so, with the O sound. All right, green. Ta, it, go. 3 sounds. Cut it, go. Do, is. Cut it, go. Do, is. And do is repeated 3 times here. Yago, do, is. Number 5. Se, de, go. Do, is. And then pink. De, nel, chi, denel, chi. And then 7. The best, chi, the best, chi. All right. And black, se, jin. The ZH, se, jin. All right. In. And se, gay. There's a diphthong. I, se, gay. And then the last 3 are se, okay. Se, gray, white, shaba, gray, shitsko, yellow. All right, here we go. Let's go to the conversation now. Shicheii would say, shitsui, and then one of you guys' name, let's say Daryl. Shitsui Daryl. Ta hate egonash, and over here, Daryl will find ta right there. Ta, and then over here, ta is tat ego dot ish. And then his answer would be ta tat ego nash, and Shicheii will go, yeah, they're praising you. Yeah, thank you. It's beautiful. That's how they do it. All right. If you want to pass off right now, put yes by your name and put it into the chat. Put it into the chat. All right, here we go. We'll go as quick as we can. All right, let's start off with Tashina. Tashina, I'm the chair, okay? So Shitsui Tashina. Asa, or one. 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 Chait egonash.
Shicheii. Asla'a Shichi go Neshjan.
Nijani, yeah, Shitsui. All right, reverse it. You say Shitsui. Clayton.
Shitsui Clayton. Ashla
Chait ego.
with ego Neshjan.
Shicheii. Ashla. Sadadeco nash. Sadadeco dot is go nash.
Nijona Hiehet Shitsui.
Louise, yeah, Louise. Shitsui Louise. Asa or one. Hit ego nash. One hit ego nash.
Le fleche go nash.
And Jone yeah, na Shitsui. Now you start Shitsui Clayton.
Shitsui Clayton. Nake
Okay.
hatte ego nash.
Na ki Shitskogo. Shicheii. Na ki Shitskogo. Nash.
Nijone ahiehe shitsui.
None. All right, let's go to let's see who have. Okay, let's go to Jace. Jace. Shitsui Jace. Din hate ego nash. Din hate ego nash.
Shicheii. Yeah, go do ish. Oh gosh. Do ish.
Oh,
Do ish.
yeah,
Nashcha.
nash. Nijane, yeah, Shitsui Jace.
Shitsui Clayton. Sebi het ego nashcha.
Sebi Shicheii. Sebi Shijinko nash.
Najane ehyehe shitsui.
Let's go to Quintina. Quintina, yate Quintina. Shitsui Quintina. Ta hit ego nash. Ta. Are you there? Turn on your mic, Quintina.
Shicheii. Tash the go Doglish.
Go nash.
Go Nashcha.
Nijane yeah, Shitsui. All right, your turn, Shicheii. Or Shitsui.
Oh.
Shitsui Clayton.
So it's it
Okay.
go Nashcha.
So it the belchi go nashcha.
Nejone Yehe Shitsui.
Let's go to Nelly. Yade Shitsu Nelly. Chastra het ego nashcha.
shicheii dinilchi na dinilchi godnash
Nejane Ekia Shitsu. Now your turn, Shitsu Clayton.
shitsui Clayton tat the height ego nash
Shiche Chatzada Shitsogo nashcha.
Nejana ahye shitsui
Okay, let's see. Let's go to Kaylin. Kaylin, yeah, Shitsu Kaylin. Nahast Ehit Ego Nashcha.
Shicheii nachaste shigai gonascha.
Nejane Hia Shitsu. Your turn, Shitsu Clayton.
Sui Clayton. Di haite gonascha.
Shiche Di Yagodot Ishko Nashcha.
Nejone ahehe shitsui.
Let's go to Sage. Yeah, Shitsu Sage. Nahast E Hait Ego Nashcha. Nahast E.
shicheii klege ngo nashcha.
Go Nashcha. In the genre Hia Shitsu. Your turn, Shitsu Clayton.
Shitsui Clayton di hate go nashcha.
Di Yagodot Ishko Nashcha.
Nejone ayehe shitsui.
Luke. Yeah, Shitsu Luke. Nes nachit ego nashcha. Nes na.
shicheii cle. Oh wait, oh sorry, it's 10.
Nes na.
Shitsui cle ba nashcha nashcha.
Bago nashcha. Nes Johnny Hia Shitsu. Your turn, Shitsu Clayton.
Shitsui Clayton ta ahat go nashcha nashcha.
Asa Shichiko Nashcha.
Nejone ahehe shitsui.
All right, let's go to Kimura. Shitsu Kimura. Satsad Dachit Ego Nashcha.
Where is that? Oh, shicheii lataz ada liso
Oh, go. Let's all go.
lisoko go nash
Yeah, Nashcha.
nashcha.
Nejone Hia Shitsu. Your turn, Shitsu Clayton.
Je suis Clayton not cat hat
Ego. Ego.
Tiago nashka.
Shiche. Which one was it? Let's see.
2.
Oh, Nesna. Nesna. Shiche. Nesna. Shabago Nashcha.
Nijane ehehe shitui.
Peyton. Shitsu Peyton. Ka het ego nashcha.
shicheii ta tlit go do tlish go nashcha.
Nejone Hia Shitsu. Your turn. Shitsu.
Shitsui Clayton naki hate ego nashcha.
Na ki let's hoko nashcha.
Nijone Ayehe Shitsui.
Elia, Sue Elia. Tsebi het egonascha.
shicheii tsebi tlajin go nash
Nijone Ekeha Shitsui Clayton. Go ahead.
shitsui Clayton naki hat ego nash
Na Kilitsko go Nashcha.
nijona ahiahet shitsui
Let's go to the cookie. The cookie, is that right?
Yeah, it's Tiani. Sorry about that.
Tione, Shitsui Tione Ashla het egonascha.
What number did you want me to? Sorry.
Ashla.
Okay. Ashla. Tistu. All right. Tistu. Today. Go.
Tadeko.
Tadeko do.
Do
Tis. Dusk.
dot is
Do. Kish.
Nashcha.
Nashcha.
Nejane Shitsui. Your turn. Shitsui Clayton.
Okay. Shitsui Clayton. Ta Hantigo Nis.
Tat it go. Dot is go. Nashcha. Nejane
Nijonen ahead Shitsui.
All right, let's go down to Felicity. Felicity, yeah, they should see Felicity. Sos it het egonascha.
Which number is that?
Sos it.
Shicheii statist it the beche a go nasche
Nejane Shitsui Clayton.
Shitsui Clayton Naki
Het ego.
na ate go nasche
Na ki let's nashcha.
Nechui ne ahe chisui.
Okay. All right, Clara Sun. Shitsui Clara Sun. Din het ego nashcha. Din, right there.
shiche di yago de klish go nashchan
And Shitsui Clayton. Go ahead.
shitsui Clayton hastan hatego nashchan
Hastra din chico nashcha.
nijone ahiahet shitsui
All right, so let's go down. Tashona. Shitsui Tashona. Tsebi het egonascha. Your mic needs to turn on.
oh, can you hear me?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay. Shiche tsebi slijin go nashchan
Nejane Shitsui. Your turn, Shitsui Clayton.
shitsui Clayton fatada hite go nashchan
Satsa dahlitskoko nashcha.
nijone ahiahet shitsui
You just said another word, shicho. That is like great grandmother. Grandmother. All right, I think we got it. Yeah, hey, looks like our time is gone. 5 minutes. Thank you so much. This is the conversation. you are welcome to teach it twice, once today, and then maybe at home with somebody. Or if you haven't taught it, I'll have a video clip in the morning and you just listen to it over and over. And then when you're ready, just teach it to somebody and then email it to me. Even if you checked off today, just go ahead and email to me. I'll go on it. Shicheii dano cleaning. And turn off the sound here. If I can. There we go.